A pleasant day to you, ma'am. By the way, I am Isidra Ayocariza, 20 years of age, and I am currently a third year criminology student, and I am also an officer from PSCTC. And also, I have a family of 5. I am the eldest. I have 3 siblings, and we are a Christian family because our religion is Baptist, and we live in Zone 11, Barangay Natumulan, Taguan, Misamis Oriental. So the field of criminology that I want to pursue someday is the field of Philippine National Police, because my father always inspires me on being a PNP officer, and it is also my choice. That's why I'm taking criminology today. And also how the one that I want, or the one that I am interested in research, or the one that I want to know more, or to make a research about it in the field of criminology, is that in the correctional programs and also in crime prevention. I know it's very broad, and in our research today, we have a limitation of the respondents, since we cannot accumulate the whole Filipino people to answer our questions in our research. But for me, if I were to be asked, my choice will be correctional programs and what they call this crime prevention, because I sometimes wonder that how effective are they when it comes to correction, when majority of the people, or majority of the detainees that comes back to the community always commit the same mistake again, or other crimes. So what are the best way, or what shall we modify about that? And also in the crime prevention, what are the ways of crime prevention that will lead the people, or will make the people, or make our society less crimes, like that? So it's very broad, but I just wonder why it makes me what do you call this, my heart beats so bitaw, ma'am. For my motto and goal, ma'am, and for the message for the future me, one thing I can say for the future me is that God is always with you. The moment you step into success right now, you did it by yourself only. Through though there are troubles you face and trials that makes you disappoint and discouraged on the way of success, but it's always the courage and strength from the Lord that put you where you are right now. So that's all, ma'am. Thank you.